Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex. Today's word is basement, a B2 level noun meaning a lower level of a building. A basement is typically partially or entirely below ground level. It's that space often beneath our homes or other buildings. Now let's explore some synonyms. Instead of basement, you might hear cellar. For instance, they store their wine in the cellar. Or you could use underground, as in the train runs underground in this part of the city. Another way to put it is a lower story, like the washing machine is in the lower story of the house. Now let's look at antonyms. The opposite of a basement would be something like an attic, as in the attic is hot in the summer. Or perhaps a top floor, such as the penthouse is on the top floor. Another antonym could be the ground floor, as in the restaurant is on the ground floor. Now, let's see how we can use basement in everyday situations. You might say, I'm going down to the basement to do laundry, or we converted our basement into a game room. It could be used in common expressions like, my parents have some old furniture stored in the basement, or they had a flood in the basement last summer. Here are some sentence examples using our word. The furnace is in the basement. Or, our band rehearses in the basement. Or, it's quite cool in the basement during the summer. Or, I found some old toys in the basement. So, to recap, a basement is a lower level of a building. Synonyms include cellar, underground, and lower story, while antonyms include attic, top floor, and ground floor. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. And most importantly, let us know what you think of the word basement by crafting your own sentence and sharing it in the comments below.
See you next time.